The concept of quickly finding a nearby vet clinic or grooming salon is pretty appealing, but it's also a good business idea to create such a pet care directory that shows every available option in a few clicks. Moreover, it's so much easier with the power of WordPress and its themes. The main question is which theme to choose. Therefore, we've selected the most popular pet care WordPress themes available on the market to compare in our overview and make it easier for you to choose. Let's begin. We'll start our list with Hive, a highly functional multi-vendor service finder WordPress theme suitable for building a pet care directory. It has a clean, modern, and professional design, and is already packed with many useful features such as front-end listing submission, so anyone can register and list their pet care business, or powerful search functionality so that website visitors can filter listings based on various criteria, including a seamless location-based search. Also, there is a messages system, which lets users easily communicate via private messages, as well as ratings and reviews, which lets users rate listings and leave reviews. Finally, the Requests and Offers feature lets clients post custom requests, indicating the desired budget. Hive allows you to take control of your website's design and functionality without needing to write any code. You can easily add different custom fields and search filters that are tailored to your website requirements, as well as unlimited listing categories. Also, you can customize the look and feel of your pet care directory to match your brand by changing colors, fonts, backgrounds, and more. In addition, Hive is fully compatible with the native WordPress page builder Gutenberg, which enables you to create page layouts using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Besides that, Hive offers at least 3 different ways to generate revenue right out of the box. You can charge vendors for listing their services on your platform and for making their listings featured, as well as take a commission on each successful transaction made on your website. Since the theme is integrated with WooCommerce, you'll have access to dozens of payment gateways worldwide. Furthermore, you're not limited to Hive's core features because it is powered by the HivePress plugin, an all-in-one solution for building directory and marketplace websites. There are dozens of HivePress add-ons that allow you to extend the website functionality in a snap. For example, for a pet care directory, you can install Bookings, which allows users to book listings, Opening Hours, which adds opening hours to listings, or Social Login, which allows users to log in via third-party services. Note that all HivePress extensions are fully compatible with each other, so you can combine them the way you like. You can rest assured that you'll get top-notch support from the developers. The premium support is guaranteed for 6 months and includes fixing bugs, as well as guidance about the Hive settings and features. Also, you can visit the official community forum to create a new topic or watch tutorials on this YouTube channel. The lifetime license for the theme costs $89 and includes unlimited updates. Additionally, you will receive 6 months of premium support. If you're interested in premium extensions, their price varies from $29 to $39. Finally, keep in mind that there's no need to buy third-party plugins to achieve the same functionality as on the demo site since you're packed with anything you need right away. Now, let's take a look at Positive. It's a pet care WordPress theme designed for pet hotels, shops, and other pet services. Although you won't be able to create a multi-vendor directory with this theme, its strong side is that it's proficiently tailored for a single brand, with 3 demos and a total of 9 homepages available off the bat. Another cool feature of this theme is that it supports RTL script. Furthermore, Positive developers included their Bold Page Builder plugin with the theme, so you'll be able to easily create pages using drag-and-drop functionality. Additionally, the AI content generator feature in Bold Builder utilizes artificial intelligence to automatically generate text based on input data, simplifying content creation for web design and development projects. One extension that comes with Positive is Bold's Cost Calculator plugin, which allows you to create quote or price estimation forms. Additionally, there are 3 other extensions available for purchase. For example, Bold Timeline lets you create timelines for various purposes, such as company history, blog lists, product updates, etc. A good bonus is that Positive is also integrated with such plugins as WooCommerce and Contact Form 7. Ticket-based support is available for 6 months from the date of purchase, with the option to purchase extended support up to a maximum of 12 months. In addition, there's a comprehensive knowledge base on the official website. You can purchase this theme on ThemeForest for $79. At the same time, the cost of each Bold extension is $29. The next theme on our list is Pets Club. It is a good option if you seek to build a website for a pet store, veterinary clinic, or pet training classes, and a ready-made design gets the job done for you, while integration with the Elementor page builder lets you customize pages to your liking. You'll get access to multiple handy widgets and content modules that you can move around your site, edit, or delete unwanted elements without the need to tweak a single line of code. Plus, the pre-designed pet shop with grid-based product listings is ready to be brought to your website, as well as the possibility to display ratings, product badges, discounted prices, and other elements. Pets Club is also integrated with WooCommerce, which should make it easy for you to start selling. Additionally, a premium plugin, Slider Revolution, is included in the theme's price. It's a responsive WordPress slider plugin that lets you display your content in many different ways. There are no official extensions since the ThemeRex team is mainly focused on making themes, but they claim that the Pets Club theme works just fine with some of the popular plugins out there, such as Contact Form 7, Advanced Pop-ups, Slider Revolution, and more. ThemeRex provides proper support for its products, so you can find an extensive knowledge base, documentation, and video tutorials on the official website. But if that's not enough, there's also the option to create a support ticket for those who have purchased a theme. Pets Club comes with 6 months of premium support, which can be extended at any time. This pet care WordPress theme can be purchased on ThemeForest for $69. Also, you can extend the support period to 12 months for an additional fee. Pet World is another pet WordPress theme whose main focus is pet adoption. In addition, you can integrate a shop and a pet sitter pages. However, all fields are hard-coded, so you won't be able to create custom fields. Overall, the theme comes with all the pages pre-designed for you, but you can modify them or create new ones using the Visual Composer page builder, which is included with the Pet World theme. There are 2 other plugins included in the theme's price, Slider Revolution and Ultimate Add-in for Visual Composer, which will help you with customization. Moreover, the developers mentioned that Pet World is also compatible with WooCommerce, Contact Form 7, WPML, and MailChimp. As for the official extensions, the developers offer 4 different tools, with one of them being a standalone WordPress directory plugin, so theoretically, you could turn this pet adoption theme into a full-featured pet care directory website with a touch of customization. There's also an Ultimate Booking plugin that allows you to add booking functionality to your website. If you need help setting up your site, you can have a look at the official documentation and knowledge base or create a topic on the support forum. However, note that there is no ticket system available. This pet adoption WordPress theme goes for $59 per license on ThemeForest. It includes the theme, 3 plugins mentioned above, and 6-month support. Additionally, for separate official plugins can be bought for $35 each. The last theme on our list is Pet Sitter. From the start, it's a perfect choice for anyone who wants to create a website to list pet-related job vacancies. For example, this theme has a front-end listing submission functionality and is fully compatible with WP Job Manager. But you won't be limited to this niche because Pet Sitter is quite customizable and can be adapted to different needs. Simply put, you can turn it into any pet-related directory. Moreover, WP Bakery Page Builder is included with the theme for free. There are no official extensions available from the developer, but it is stated that Pet Sitter is compatible with any of the WP Job Manager add-ons. For those who have purchased this theme, the support is available for 6 months on the developer's Tixi page via the ticket system. The average response time is said to be less than 24 hours. The Pet Sitter theme is available for purchase at ThemeForest for $49 with a 12-month support extension option. And that wraps up our overview of the most popular pet care WordPress themes available on the market. We hope that it was helpful to you and now you have a better idea of the present options. If you're still unsure which theme to choose, we highly recommend checking out Hive. It's a crazy customizable theme that comes with tons of features, and no coding skills are required to set it up.